What up, YouTube? What up? Alright, it's your boy Big Slim back on the channel with another video. Yeah, today is the day that we are headed right now to go get the new muffler and tip put on the 5.7 Durango build. So yeah, if y'all give me a minute, as y'all can see, we're on the road into Durango right now, fixing to pull up to see our buddy at Quality Muffler and Steve. So yeah, y'all give me 1 second. We'll be there shortly. Be right back with you. Alright, yeah, we back. We back over here at Quality Muffler. Got our buddy Steve gonna hook us up. As y'all see, the pretty Durango sitting right there. Let me get y'all a good look at that Durango. Look at that bad mama jama right there. She's all lovely out. Yes, sir. She's looking good. Mighty sexy. You can see the car next to it in the reflection. And she's not even been waxed. But yeah, he's gonna get us in, and y'all stay with me. We'll be back. Once again, and man, it's bright as ever out here. Yeah, right here at Quality Muffler. Got a boy Steve gonna hook us up. Alright, y'all stay tuned. Alright, what up? What up, YouTube? I'm back with y'all. Sorry about that. I had to get back with y'all for a minute. I did some talking with Steve, but as y'all can see, the 5.7 Durango build is she is on the lift right now, getting welded up. Old one's cut off. New one's on, being welded on. We'll get back with you in just a second and let you know, first start up, what sound is. Alright, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Alright, y'all, I'm back. We just got finished at Quality Muffler with Steve. He had took the factory in muffler and tip off and replaced it with the one that I had, which was the all chrome excuse me, all chrome with a burnt oval tip. So I'm gonna let y'all see what the Durango looks like with the new tip on it, and y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Alright, the other one came out and angled down. This one comes straight out at the back with the burnt blue tip and all. Yeah, looks good, y'all. Looks real good. Y'all can see where he cut it right there. Welded the piece on and then welded the tube on. And there she is right there in all her glory. Alright, I'm gonna give y'all a start up. This is not, don't get me wrong, this is not, y'all, this is not a cold startup. The car has been crunk up. I've drove it about 6 or 7 miles, stopped so I could get this video for y'all, but I want y'all to listen to what the sound of her is, and y'all let me know down in the comment section down below what y'all think about the sound. Here we go. Remember, 5-inch oval tip with hardly no guts in it. Alright, here we go, y'all. 5-inch oval tip, burnt blue tip, all stainless all the way back, from there to the back, chrome tip. I'm in love, y'all. I love it. I love it. I love the sound of it. It sounds good, looks good. It's got the blue burnt tip on it, as the truck is blue. Thank y'all very much. Y'all have a blessed day, and we'll catch y'all on the flip side.